Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the OverTheWire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 6. And here's some description for this level. The password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory. As last several levels, and has all of the following properties. Apparently, we shall deal with the find command with this level. As you know, find command is very, very important and a useful command in Linux. If you have already followed my channel, you know that I have already used a lot. The find command. Find command, because find command can support many options, and many options can help us to find file or directory in different scenarios. Okay, so I think that's all we need to take in this video. However, before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave thumbs up. This will help me with YouTube algorithm. Enough talk, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux. First of all, we need to SSH to the target. As you can see over here, of course, as before, we need to use the -P option to specify the port number, because this port number is not default one by SSH service. So now we can hit enter, and it's asking us to supply the password for the user Bandit 5. No problem, we can paste in here. So we're in the target machine. Next, I think we can clear the screen to get bigger space on the screen. So we can press keys Control, Shift, and L at the same time. So now I think it's much better. And next, I'd like to run command ls or list directory content. For me, I always take the option of ALH. Of course, in most cases, Linux command, if you need to specify the option, we need to use the prefix of hyphen. Okay, and now we can press enter. Just described here, the file is located in here directory, and we need to navigate to the in here directory. Let's run ls command again. There's so many subdirectories. Let's go inside one of them, or the first one. There's several files. So I think if we manually walk through all files under the in here directory, this will be so much time consuming. Instead, we need to utilize find command with different options. Okay, so let's go back. Let me clear the screen again. So we can use the find command. We can, look at the first property first. And unfortunately, the find command itself cannot support this property or this option. But we can combine the find command with the file command. Let me show you in action. We can find from current directory. So this will retrieve all files. Then we can use the option of exec. And so this can, this option allow us to execute command. For example, the file. However, file needs input, and we can use the output of the find as the input to the file command. I think I've already explained it clearly. So we can use the braces. Very important, we need to put the backslash. Otherwise, when we run the command, you will get error. And then I think now we can get all of file types. So we can put the filter by grep, exec. There's still so many exec file. Okay, so the first property itself cannot determine the location of this file, which is fine. Now we can move forward. We can take a look at the second property, size. The find command itself can support size, and the size can support different format. Let me show you the find. And we can use the main command to display the usage. For example, let's scroll down. Size. Where is the size option? Yes, size. So the B means 512 bytes blocks. C, this is what we want, this option or this format. The 4 bytes, and W for 2 bytes words, or KB bytes and maybe bytes. I think you get my idea. So now we can use a find, and I'd like to start a search or start a find from the current directory, and the size is 1033. We need to put a C to specify the format. Okay, and now if you want, we can put the option of type as F. The value is F or file rather than directory. Okay, and then we can get the file what we want or what we are looking for. So I think the second parameter itself can determine the location of this file. Okay, but I'm not going to end here. I'd like to showcase how to specify, or how to specify this option, not executable. Okay, so now find, and we can use the executable option, but in this case is not executable, so we need to put this symbol in front of this option. And then of course also we are just interested in file. Let's press enter. So many files which are not executable. So again, the third property itself cannot determine the location of this file. Just now I have already walked through how to specify or how to search a file which is based on a different property. Also, we can combine all of them. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So find start from the current directory, and we are interested in file rather than directory. The size is also, we can specify if the file size is larger, we can use the plus, or less, we can use the minus. Okay, but in this case, not case. We just equal 1033 bytes, and also we can put the option not executable. Okay, and also we can put the option of execute, and we want to run file command, and we need to specify this as input, and this input will be from the output of the find. Okay, now we, of course, very important, just I mentioned, we need to put the bash hash backslash, sorry, my bad, and then we can grep or match the exec. Okay, oh, sorry, so I think there is some error. Oh, sorry, I need to put a space. Yeah, okay, no problem. We can hit again. As you can see, we can still get the same result, and then we can copy, and then you can use the cat command to retrieve the password. I'm not going to display because of I'm not going to show the password. Okay, so That's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.